for talk say they be Transparency International say na dem they can look as we vote for getting Nkunkuma if they happen for country. Now the one that way dey for all money here and all man say the trouble for here wait to get for passport. They do one it happen where person where they call am say waiting. Oga Jean Bikoko he don't talk say him. Thing where he dey so Maurice come to talk say he dey so he don't win vote. Say that one he no concern no man say he be get right for talk to where the talk. Then he don't talk for grat and go say waiting. Say make he know the over put him up inside chapter for election for country. Tori for this afternoon too we go take una go for place where they call am say Marua. If she done for the same place, he do the same work. I say no be na for sika say one person he do better work. Na it mean say another person too if he so can she done for the same place, he do the same work where the other man do am. This big part talk it come after we the knack with woman football team for that side so for France 6-0. Now Elomba Elat for Boya side a send am for we. I dey turn back some more time. Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side so for Tori House for Equinox. Chapter 1, we go start now with the palava for thief and palava for some people them where they don't catch them for inside that side so for Marua, country people them. As we talk, we go start first with the quarter them, waiting they happen for quarter. Now big place that for inside Marua. All that young boy then so where they the one come up for inside central police station for Marua. Now boy the way they catch them. When you count and so you go see the daylight on them 10 where it is so they don't catch them. Yes, them 10 so where they put them for hand where all them they is also suspect they never talk say they don't. There's someone the day where they don't already start show sign say they get hand. Sabi say the 10 boy them or people the way they see them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They did them 10 normal. It means say one like I say the people there they catch them. One of them he get hand for some person where they kill him. Yes, one of them he get hand for some person where they kill him. For that side so where they call him say Marua. Now some beaten man for Marche Abattoir for Marua. And now then too they don't get hand for inside plenty thing there. So all they so where they see where they commode them. Where they also talk say na allege for BB grammar. Now it means say they never confirm whether they be original thief people or they no be original thief people. But for now they the only say so suspect them. It means say they never confirm. But the two make and so they want confirm them. Now after where they meet up all the clothes, they see collar, see knife, see thingy them. All thing where they meet up and for inside place where they use them attack people them for inside Marua side day. So police people then say that they make investigate for that side for get the true thing where it pass. Inside Douala here country people them sabi say since when west are many happen. Train the waka. Now for place where they call them say forever if you get for look at that place one fine. Train the waka. Now train road that when I see as well they don't keep training road. When the train go start waka, how train go manage waka for the kind of place? When I see am, now train road that iron don't lost all for ground. Sabi say since we chapter northwest and west start train the waka. See train road. Una see train road. See as well they don't make train road. Train road now it don't turn a guataho. You know even check self say they like say iron the pass for under. See how they don't blocker. It means say when the train go start waka, they get for come back again, come open the whole place. See now training road that where you don't lost all. I say the training road it don't lost all. So he go carry people them. He come for Banga on to. He can't let people there for Douala. They since where confusion start. Train the waka population for people the way Douala on the go carry the commoner for Kumba. So we know they again. Train the fee for waka. As well on the sea and so. Make we hear wait way people them for that side. So they talk for we own man for that side where they call it say Cheromanus.
When you see right, that will train the back. Motor the bang for right. Any man put the chin for right. That's where they command for park motor they put the palm motor na for right. Train of it pass. When the people sell na market or market they are for I don't know. People they sell chin na for road. When people can't put motor na for road, any man where they put the gym inside for road for rail. When rail dey pass now so, they go find na you know fit pass. Plenty dirty there, they pack dirty, they pack all chin people dey send na for rail, na for road for rail. Na who's going to that?
They don't for people again for park machine for that corner pay for rail. Any person go me na fit put for work for go me na place. They get up for you know push machine wo push okada.
Pass it that place where they put it for ground. See how dirty don't enter now. Dirty, they like say place no dey for the Douala where they fit throw dirty. Any place where they see her, na dirty they throw her. People the way they enter from Mabanda, they wanna sabi the road. Mabanda for Douala. Inside Bonaberi side, wanna sabi the road. Na roadway dey for corner place where they bury people. Una they call am na cemetery. Na cemetery for BB grammar. Me at the Thursday place where they bury people. Na place where they keep people them for 6 feet. The place it be fair day they know the trade dirty. Now, motor they say they carry dirty. They can't heap them now for that side. Then motor they even get for can't carry the dirty throw for different side. Now they carry dirty can't heap them for the same place. When no hope, no they say they go can't carry and they see for corner. They the same boo. It means say people that go so tonton can pass, they can't shit down for back dirty, they drink them boo. You understand? They drink them boo, they drink them, dirty the smell, it enter their nose, even chop, they chop for corner, they no care there. Now for just, I say people there, they go Mabanda plenty for inside Douala for, they sabi the road, now in this. Thieves of Sawe, moto they can't throw dirty, no one say they can't carry dirty, and the only can't throw, see Koto Basi place where they bury, so more time dirty go enter for day. Now say, we no get place or trade dirty for inside the Douala. All place, na dirty. All place, dirty. And the people then too for here, they like for search up now for place where they say, they keep dirty. Now they want better thing that, why I like people then for Douala. Place where they smell, now place that they search up, make people they come buy. Make we hear them and me talk.
Where the worry that they don't carry the tea from bush. They instead bring a right to town and for people they consume food the day and chop, and not only food. That means say rice, say tomato, all that kind of things. This way human being get to take up. But surprise now where exactly they carry the tea to bush, then they bring them to town. So the old dog, they overtake in the old dog, and not only we but they buy them, the that they can buy. So they overtake the old dog. So they were worried with. If they feel heavy, what do you exactly do? I don't really find the act.
That one inside Bonaberi. Make we enter for some place. Rain no the fall again. But the year bad. Now for Mabanda. Yes. See mommy, rain no the fall again plenty oh. But road it never so turn fine. According to team wey big man for inside Douala for talk, he talk say the road they plan for say make they can put a tile on top. Me say they go put how you put that block them. They go put block them for day. One way they call them say tile. For French they talk say pavé. They say they plan for do am. But I swear they get for plan for do that work way we no sabi when they go do am. The roads na come and see. Rain e no dey fall again. But population for that side, they no fit waka for the road peacefully. All corner, na big hole. All corner, big hole. All corner, big hole. Water, eternal for inside, like say water no go ever dry. When I see water, see how the man go enter. When he enter for that water, all things so go lost inside the water. More see deeper the man with the truck. You know, we no dey for it, like for pass construct. So he must enter inside that water for push them crane mimbo them. A pass na see how water the reach mimbo a truck. Na see no. Now for inside Mabanda. So it means say the people there for Mabanda, people that they ask a question. How did the manage she done for the Okada they get palava? People that say that they work out foot, they the nyati na for corner. Okada too the one make like say me nyati when no day it must enter for inside water. All man put the foot for up. One way no want to say water touch it. So we ask na question. Whether na some person get for do the work or na some particular person, even motorway they give me but they can't pass. Or if they want fix this road, people there from Mabanda on sabi say they go chakara on a house on a one no respect side for be house, one a can't drive for road. All the one they saw as why they talk on a sabi say put the this year. They go come fix the roads and on a house there will be a trouble. If you no respect the order, start prepare yourself. For Sika say they go fix that road. I don already talk una. If road from Abanda na Palava for water, for that side for Limbe, upper Mao or na lower Mao quarters. Now for Limbe, the road so on the Sian, na road where they go for school, government primary school Mao, lower Mao. The road when rain in the fall for day, only kene way the kene. Pikin they know the fee for go for school. For Sika say before Pikin one finish climb he go for school. Pikin he don kene for that license 20 times. So now for Sika why that way as well place it dey. But they talk for council for that side for Limbe. Make the city where they go do am for them. For Sika say the thing na really big palava for them. Palava. Na better thing. We dey try for talk congratulate for the kind of work them. Make una know wait say main governor can do. See work where they say they don't do am. Only for Sika say they want open road. They no want to say make them get make Pikin they get pull over. Time where they want go for road. So make we left that one so. We be meet up with some of the people then for that quarter. They try for tell we as well that road the so they time where rain fall plenty.
So with the dig and would hunt them. And with now the situation we dey now, we don't even try for the dig and we don't start the buy seawall from our individual pockets.
All right.
But now we hand to they don't start they don't short, they don't tight. So we just the big if cancel too. They feel consider sorry we self. So that made that picking them when they want to go school too. Make they work out too. No fit carry uniform. You want reach schools. Their uniform all around dirty. Where it go make picking them they be untidy for class. So the big make cancel at least make they improve this road. So that when picking to they go school, may they be like the other picking for the other school them. We just clear the road where now we hand. Now small passage where they will try for pass go, but now where would they try for improve the road so where would they create the road with the dig and would handle. Okay. Because we don't try for the public, we just see big. If cancer feel heavy, we will be so grateful.
With the struggle for dig the road so now we hand things from down there. It don't stay where council never see how we fit do with the road. The road so they lead to government school lower Mao. So with the dig and our hand so where rain they fall, we know they picking off a pass. So with the beg government will beg council. Make the struggle, make the try for help with caterpillar. May we dig and make the road make it be passable way. It go help we the people them for inside this quarter and everybody where they go for school. May the help we even gravel. We don't struggle so when we walk and so no gutter no day. So with the struggle with hand all through put gutter. So with the beg, make government try to see into our problems. Make lower Mao, make them to make they enjoy fine road. Where even the teachers them, they feel work are free, they go for school.
We go climb now so for that we show na sideways school day. Government primary school Mahu. Make we climb that hill. Now for bush road there, now small road this way they go for the school. The school then now for instance on small bush. You understand? Then the school he faces up. When I see school, government primary school. And this school they ever get 100% country people. They ever get 100%, but see how school day. Na Kalabo then the Kalabo to do oh, it do it for 4 careless. And the beg say make governor say travels. Governor the give school, and no one has honor the people they say they get for be their school. Now the condition this way that picking them for primary school they suffer for Mao. See now only empty zinc. Even ceiling no day. Now see una see our class day. And this school as well here. All time 100% they disappear for common entrance, first school living certificate. But for condition for learn, condition are very, very work condition. Picking the say the fee enter. Governor never ever give no nothing. All thing now sorry hard for people there. They can't dash chair for picking them for Shidon. The one sorry hard, they can't dash chair. Nowadays it's also seen a different name them for day. Say they so na different people that they can't dash in them. It means say no nothing. Governor don't just give the school palm. Mawo wanna take the school. The school no get no nothing. Now all the school that way they see and so Calabot open air. Calabot said don't even oh. Now headmaster he chair that. Nadine. Now headmaster he chair that. Now for the way headmaster the Shidon. Now headmaster offices. Headmaster no even get better office. Now offices. Since away headmaster the Shidon. So now for tell we say people there for lower Mao government primary school. Government primary school lower Mao Limbe. Una see school. School just dey empty. Headmaster no even get office where get air conditioner. He no get office where get chair where they make it A1, A2 for inside. Where no dey. e dey sit down for trunk chair so tey even snake sef fit pass e enter say bite am. Empty office. We turn back for Douala for talk this palava people dem for shipyard. We hear say sotey now they never pay them money. They be there again for labor office. This thing e don turn na different thing o. Minister for work, labor, e come Douala, e hold meeting with the people, the whole government. E talk say they go pay them after vote e pass. After vote don pass, they dey also go for that side for labor office. Money never comot. Una sabi time wey they start promising people the money since say December. They say they go give them money, they go chop Christmas with am. December 2017 don pass. 1st January New Year day e don pass, money no comot. They say okay, they go pay them before school year start. School year don start, so tey small time pikin they go holiday. Money never so comot. All day na for labor office they shidon na. So they talk say main governor talk thing the quick o. People the way they hold the money they no wan pay them. Na only dem dey sabi. They say Nkunkuma be don already sign book. So they be expect say people there they work with Nkunkuma. They get for here commandeer. They send them their money. So tey now money never enter for their kwa. Na thing that way they talk and na why that way they so block lock roads for enter for labor office or inside Douala here. They so dey for day. All day they dey cry. All day they dey cry. Okay oh. Main governor wey in the year here. Prime Minister here oh. Nkunkuma na ya pikin dem that. They say you don't sign books say make they pay them money but they never pay them so tey now. They never pay them so tey now. I say Transparency International true una become Cameroon. Transparency una become Cameroon. Who side the white man they come out? Who side the white man then they come out? See people the way they una start tell we true. Who side the white man they come out? I no wan call people their name o. The small time they go toss ambassador why you call that name. People the way they give una pass. Who side una come out? Una tell you una true. Because when they see the face, they like say na that one man there, they don't just go pick them. Bring them for some side so una can't turn up, una be like the people there. Transparency International talk say no sabi the people there at all. Say no sabi there. Say no sabi who send the people then say make they can look vote for Cameroon. Say them say like Transparency. They no send no man. So he no sabi side with the people then the white man them. They come also to the car. Well then, it dey like say na that one man they turn for inside here when there. Or when you look their face, so they like say na that one they need the chop plenty. Yes, they need the chop plenty. Now that kind of one the way when they just tell they say when I can't do something, they joke up. Other people they talk say it dey so way, it dey so way, it dey so way. Who side the white man they come out? All man they ask that question. Transparency don't do. When una see the mommy face fine, una go tell me say wey fit comot. There say na that mommy there dey so tonton for Limbe, for down beach. They dey chop fish with brother them. They say they be white man people there. Now they don't catch she don't now say they be Transparency International. I no wan talk again. If I talk, thing they go pass. Dynamic situation to a be meet up with the Tory people them. Jean-Marc Bikoko, na that. He say Tiwe Maurice come to talk say he win vote. He no see palaba why people they get for over talk. Yes, Jean-Marc Bikoko talk say no see why people they get for over talk. Say if you don't talk say don't win vote. Now for people that for she don't quiet, they no be need for over talk. Like say don't talk na so what it. They say even law, he don't talk say if he talk so, but so far as we never talk say that he be president. Palava no dey. He talk say great and go. May too if she done he look all the way the over talk. Say when the way the over talk, it show like say he says it play some big role inside the palava for chapter for vote. So Jean-Marc Bikoko talk for great and go. Padiman control the way the over talk for some kind of thing there. We sabi say be minister for territorial administration. That one no man no the argue. But Jean-Marc Bikoko talk say make great and go to a sabi the way he talk the palava. Then he turn back for the people there. Yes, he turn back for the people there. The people that say Transparency International. So they make press conference. They call people that say maybe they want to talk. Hey, Cameroon. White man. So it means say Sarah go fool we anyhow. Jama Bikoko don't talk your own, and I don't talk to a talker. I no go talk plenty again on top. We only wait for year wait till Constitutional Council go talk. We hear say people then for vote, they don't already start for work since yesterday. So the wait, they count the vote there. Plenty people they talk their talk. Me I no go talk plenty. We go surely turn back for day another time when Tori he don't enter. Ndamba, we woman gondere them yesterday. The disgrace we. I say we woman gondere the disgrace we. Bobo Ndamba with France, he end with Cameroon. How many? Cameroon's not. Oh, score your will, mommy. Dingo. How Cameroon go one play Ndamba with the people, then they go now for the same day they did play Ndamba. Say they go win now who? They be feel say they be one, they feel say France na some small pikin where they will just go cash and nakam. I saw they cash Mozambique and 8-1, or they cash Lesotho and 6-0. Mais on a never. France is show Cameroon say there is also need for prepare. As Sabi said in Ndamba go help we coach. For Sabi as we go look at Ngondere them before woman Ndamba way it go happen. So France he cash Cameroon. Now the thing that Cameroon go surely they talk, but plenty work there for Cameroon. They need for turn back for country. They can't prepare for woman Ndamba way go happen for Ghana. They want a BB disgrace. Now why that he talk say we big part talk for the morning time he talk say waiting. No be now for sick say some person do work better. Now why that way another person check say if he can do the same work. We sabi or they try for talk. Tori don't finish. Make we enter for way to a newspaper CSF they talk this afternoon country people them. The Guardian post where it day for outside today, it the turn back for talk palava for vote for Genyun Kunkumam. They say come to after we talk say don't win vote. One time. Ngomna and people the way they day for Bagbia, now so too their skin is shake. They provoke. Waiting they make them. Isa Chiruma, Jean Kwete, Atango, Gregoire Ona, Gaga Aman, Lawan Bako, all them they come out. Now fire this. Then fire on top Maurice come to so time no day. So for inside the Guardian post, you go here as well Transparency International. They don't talk say, they no send no one eye person for can look vote for Cameroon as well Cameroon be the vote. Now so to Archbishop for Yawinde. They talk say make people then pray out. Say make something you know happen after we vote for Genyun Kunkuma it happen for we country. For that side from Donga Mantum, Guardian post it tell we say 4 people they don't sleep straight. Plenty house them they don't burn them. Other to read the day for inside the Guardian post you feel buy them. You read USSF. The Sun newspaper too a day for outside today country people them. It gets its own story for talk for we inside the Sun newspaper. Transparency International, it say lie to lie. They no send them no one man for can look vote as we pass for inside Cameroon. Now they talk that for the Sun. The Sun too it tell we as we after we come to talk say na he win vote for Genyun Kunkuma. Ngomna, CPDM and other people them can't see how they talk back. They say come to stop that wish. You get wish for Sabiti way we who don't win. But Sabi said that one. Now the thing where they put on a talk they say 1992 vote where they be farm. Say that kind of one it no go happen again as well that sin or that bad thing is also there for on top of the country. According to the Sun newspaper too, it tell we say African Union CSF election observer them. They don't talk say waiting one the way African Union send them whether to they be send and two because now so all team for Cameroon and team for she don't quite look African Union too for talk say waiting say it so people them they call Cameroon governor say after we vote it pass may they try for see as well they go look a palaver for this chapter for Northwest and Southwest they should done for one table for talk they tell you to say 3 people them they die for Bamenda they will vote for Genyun Kunkuma if it happen. Other to read the day for inside the Sun newspaper where you fit for reader. Last one we'll look for inside na Eden newspaper. Con people them Eden newspaper where they for outside today too. He get his own story for tell him. They try for talk for we as we more than 10 people themselves they don't kill them for that side. So for Ekona, waiting really happen for Ekona where 10 people they die. Enter for the Eden newspaper where they for outside today go Sabiam. Now so today they tell we chapter for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. come to say after we talk na so too plenty other people dem too dem don comot for talk for sika say e talk say e don win vote na so too dey take we say make we talk chapter for politics for Nigeria for talk chapter 2 for their own kunkuma. They say Buhari versus Atiku Abubakar na the two old people dem that way they go meet up as well Nigeria people dem too they dey prepare for go vote their new kunkuma na 2019 that one e go happen. Now the tori dem that will get on this afternoon. We want to say big thank you for Oga D.O. for side for Tombe. They call it say Yam Leona. We try for tell we person will be announced this morning time. Say he don't lost. He call we for tell we say he for Tombe. Thank you plenty. Oga D.O. Yam Leona for that side so for Tombe. Sabi say big day for I. A day na tomorrow, big day for I. So if you want to do your iron job, for check your iron job, all things they happen for that side, for I hospital for the panda side. So, calling people them, I want to say big thank you for Malice. Now you make you see me for Facebook Live. If you there for Facebook or if you turn say for YouTube for look me after. Even Zephyrin Gondi, now you make you hear sound for people that ready to talk. Thank you plenty to Nadine Wafo. Thank you to plenty Farel Bunya and Dam Mitterrand. Now them the hell for put looking glass for my before. I go turn back for some time on a whole I'm tight for outside.